We apologize to interrupt our scheduled programming, but we have an important announcement. Please stand by. Across the UK and other countries, there have been reports of severe earthquakes. The following areas heavily affected are: Manchester, Birmingham, and London. If you are in one of these areas, you must evacuate immediately. Do not pick up family, friends, or children from schools, as police will take them somewhere safe. To ensure your survival, carry a battery-powered radio on you at all times, in case TV stations go off the air, and also make sure that you are away from big cities with tall buildings. This emergency alert will stay broadcasting for further information. We have some new information. There have been strange trumpet sounds that appear to be coming from the sky. We are not sure if these are connected to the earthquakes, but our advice still remains the same: stay away from tall buildings and big cities. We are still unsure about the connection between the trumpet sounds and the earthquakes, but multiple yellow glows have been spotted around the sky all of the world. We are currently investigating this, and we will update you on what these yellow glows are. It appears that these yellow glows are angels from the Bible. According to the Holy Bible, angels have 4 faces and 4 wings. These yellow glows match these descriptions, and are connected to the earthquakes and the trumpet sounds. We do not know what their intentions are, but please stay at home if possible and do not interact with the angels. We also have had reports of people suddenly dying, and it is confirmed that these are connected to the angels appearing in the sky. Do not look up at the sky this time, as this will most likely kill you. We are not sure what will happen next, but we will continue to keep you updated. Everybody at the BBC wishes you all the best, and we hope you're all safe as well. We have some breaking news. Another figure in the sky has appeared, and it seems to be the Son of God, Jesus Christ. This is clearly the second coming, and we advise everybody to repent their sins and pray for forgiveness. In the Bible, it is stated that in the second coming of Jesus Christ, all of his followers will ascend to heaven, and all sinners will be left behind to suffer for eternity. Time is running out. Ask for forgiveness before it is too late. Spend your final moments with your loved ones, and wait for God to take you into his loving arms. Those who do not repent will be left here to forever burn in agony. This is our final broadcast, and all channels will go off the air permanently. May we all meet again in God's kingdom.